to the Fort Pierce Job Fair.
Welcome to the 9th annual City of Fort Pierce Job Fair. What you see behind me are 84 employers, 18 community partners, and we have a record 399 pre-registered participants looking to push the boundaries of 500 to 600 individuals walking through this event today. We can't be more excited about these opportunities. This year we have municipality opportunities, we have the sheriffs from all 3 counties, the city of Fort Pierce, the county commissioners for St. Lucie County, Martin County. My staff here are working diligently, as they always do, in collaboration with the city of Fort Pierce to put on this event.
This is a tremendous showing today, tremendous opportunity. There are employers in our community that's looking to hire you. And I personally went by and thanked all of the employers that are here. They're looking for the talent that we have here in the city of Fort Pierce that along the Treasure Coast. And if you're looking for that next career move opportunity, this is the place to be.
I've seen Walmart, the Porch Factory, Martin County Sheriff. Just come out and get a job, guys. This is what we do for you. This day is your day to get your career. We want you to be a part of the growth that we're experiencing in Fort Pierce. We want you to be a part of what we call One Fort Pierce.
It's One Fort Pierce.
One Fort Pierce. One Fort Pierce, Florida.